Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will review the Asus ZenWatch 2 smartwatch. The Asus ZenWatch 2 looks good at first glance. It's not very popular round-shaped device, but still it looks good and pleasant. It features same design as that of the ZenWatch, but you have more choices in terms of size, that is small or large, so that it looks a lot more proportionate on wrist. More colors, sizes and straps have improved the design quotient. You get the stainless steel chassis, which feels premium, but the back is plastic, which sort of lowers the feel of the device a bit. The crown is there merely for the single purpose of activating the ZenWatch 2, whether it's waking up the display by pressing it once or holding it down for a few seconds to get access to its various menus. The screen has not changed on the latest model. It's still a slightly pixelated 1.63-inch AMOLED with 320 by 320 pixels resolution and 278 ppi pixel density, which lacks a little brightness. It uses AMOLED technology and you get saturated looking colors and good viewing angles too. Sunlight legibility is not that good. Asus has not included a heart rate sensor with the ZenWatch 2, and it is disappointing because it was a feature that should have been there on the ZenWatch 2 when it was already available on its predecessor. A favorite amongst the current lineup of new Android Wear smartwatches, the ZenWatch 2 is also powered by the quad-core 1.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 chip with 512 MB of RAM. We have no qualms with its performance, dishing up responsive gestures throughout the experience. It runs Android Wear and there isn't much to talk about it specifically, since users familiar with Android smartwatches will fit right in with the ZenWatch 2. It basically works as a notification center or hub for the incoming calls, messages, etc. You get various smartwatch faces, and Asus has really worked in this area to provide you with multiple watch faces. You also have Android Wear app to sync and change your device remotely from your phone. You also have ZenWatch Manager, which again, as its name suggests, manages the device from your phone. The ZenWatch 2 is backed up by a 400 mAh battery. It's enough to get us by through a day of normal usage. We found ourselves at less than 45% by the end of the evening. It's good enough for an easy one day of usage, but it's still highly preferred to give it nightly charges. Pricing, however, is a major factor in why the ZenWatch 2 is an attractive option. It's at almost half the price of its competition such as LG Watch Urbane, Moto 360 and Samsung Gear S2 among others. It's a good value device considering it achieves nearly the same level of functionality as other Android Wear smartwatches. But if you're a fitness buff, just know that there is no heart rate sensor with this one. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.